This is the road ahead of us. This is also the road behind us. So not great, and there's some corners coming up that we don't really know what's after the corners. So here's what we do. Take the Skydio on top of the cloth case. It's 2+, so we pop the antennas up. Push open the moonroof. We just put her right up there on the moonroof. We have our anchor USB-C hub. There's also one of these down underneath the shifter. That plugs into the phone. From there, we have this StarTech USB-A to HDMI. So plug that into the hub. And this guy here goes HDMI. The other side of this goes under here to a 4-port KVM over here on the side of the infotainment screen. That controls our Google TV, Xbox, our Chromecast, and then channel 1 is our external HDMI. Display link presenter, start recording. You open up the Skydio software. We're just going to do direct and not use the beacon for this demonstration. So we're gonna go back behind the car, tell it to follow the car, put it up in the air a little bit, tell it to follow behind, danger close. Should show the reason why we do this. Which is, this gives us a little bit better 360-degree view, and we can raise the camera up, push the camera down, bring it closer or further away. And we can see what challenges lie ahead. Look at that, we almost hit the drone. All right, well, we're never doing this without the beacon again. So now you can switch to rear view again. Oh, you did not hit that tree. I don't know how. We can go up. And this is what's going to allow you to see the road ahead a little bit better. Then when you get to these curved spots, you already have a drone up. You can stop or slow down, cancel. You can fly this up ahead. And also the range. If you set the height using only the beacon or only the controller, and you tell it to follow, it will dive down into a tree at its own leisure. If you're using the beacon, you can set the height on the phone and it will stay at that height.